A lawsuit against Sacramento County Sheriff Scott Jones in the county of Sacramento was filed this Monday. KCRA 3's Maricela de la Cruz reached out to both parties to find out more about these allegations in the lawsuit. Maricela.
Golston, it's a 21-page document that alleges that there has been collaboration between ICE and Sacramento County Sheriff Scott Jones, ignoring the California Values Act, which protects undocumented immigrants from being turned over to federal immigration authorities. The complaint, which the American Civil Liberties Union says has already been filed, alleges that the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office has been working with ICE in the enforcement of federal immigration laws, regardless of the California Values Act, or SB 54.
We have documentation from the Sheriff's Department itself showing exactly how these illegal transfers between the Sheriff's Office and ICE have occurred.
SB 54 prevents California state and local agencies from collaborating with immigration authorities.
If somebody is detained in a state or local jail, it would prevent the local officials from holding the person based upon what's called an ICE detainer, unless there were very specific circumstances that would allow them to do so, usually related to the person having been convicted of certain serious offenses in the past that are enumerated in the law.
In the complaint, the ACLU alleges that Sacramento County Sheriff Scott Jones has collaborated with ICE in arresting Sacramento area residents, where staff at the Rio Casabnas Correctional Center notify ICE of the date and time of a person's release, even when that person does not have a criminal history that authorizes such notification under SB 54.
The plaintiffs in this lawsuit have stepped forward to try to make sure that Sheriff Jones and his department are complying with state law that's designed to protect families and communities against unlawful immigration enforcement.
The complaint also alleges that the Sheriff's Office is also violating several provisions of the Truth Act, which is a due process of protections for people of interest to ICE. Immigration attorney Brian Lopez looked over the complaint.
What's being alleged is that there seems to be some awareness on behalf of the Sacramento County Sheriffs that what they may be doing is questionable at the very least, if not flat out prohibited.
NorCal Resist is part of the lawsuit. They say that separation of families is happening away from border towns.
Because separation of families are happening closer than you think. They're happening here on a local basis and anywhere else where there's an abuse of power.
We reached out to Sacramento County officials and the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office. They both said they don't comment on pending litigation. Now, this lawsuit was filed yesterday. The ACLU also tells me that they're waiting to gather more information from the county. After that, they hope to be able to set a hearing date sometime next year. Live in Sacramento, Maricela de la Cruz, KCRA 3 News.
All right, Maricela, thank you.